Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to a very special session. Special because always I bring in a new topic that is going to inspire you. Yesterday, when I was scrolling through YouTube, I came across a batch that was called Repeaters Batch for CAT 2024 Students and Aspirants. And I don't understand why do they call them repeaters? They are not repeaters, they are warriors. Warriors because they have agreed upon scoring 99.99 percentile. They are not going anything lower than this. And that is why they decided that whatever the score was, low, high in 2024 CAT examination, this time I am going to score the maximum and will get to that IIM that I have dreamt of in my life. Yes. So today's special session is all about strategies that these warriors of CAT 2025 should get into their nerves. And what are those strategies? Nothing aligned and nothing specific. You are already on the path, on the right path. You know the syllabus, you know the strategy, you know the question paper. You have seen that with your eyes or in 2024. And you know exactly what questions should get the maximum time, what question should be eliminated, and what question should be attempted. All of this, the new students, the fresh batch doesn't know. We are teaching them. We are telling them that this question, the particular question, be it in VARC section, you need to spend this much time, and then if you don't understand that, leave it and move forward. But you exactly know. You can also be their mentor. Tell them and also be a very good mentor in telling them that what is important and what is not. The strategy that you need to define for yourself today is that you should start giving mocks right now. And I'm sure that, you being you coming from CAT 2024 batch, I know that you have already started giving mocks. But have you started analyzing it? Have you started giving the right kind of mocks? The sectional mocks that are on the website, whatever website you choose, whatever, internship or whatever mentorship you choose for yourself has to be accurate and good. And that is why Unacademy has got a kit, a 3 mock kit at only 99. So if you haven't decided for yourself, decide it today. I, being from Unacademy, I'm not selling anything, okay? 99 is just not any price to give you. But I am just saying that if you want to analyze something, come on Unacademy app and see what is the quality of the mocks that we are providing you. These mocks are actually to the level of the expected question that would be set this year. So leave everything behind. Tell yourself that you are a warrior and you will not repeat any batch after this. This is your last year. You have to pull your socks this time to understand that 99.99 percentile is not far away. And just because you know all these strategies right, you just need to put them into place. Plus, you also need to have a timetable that defines exactly that in the month of June and July, how much attention do you need to put in completing your syllabus. Your syllabus is already completed. You know, for a particular VARC subject, because I am a VARC educator, I would like to tell you that, if you are taking a VARC as an example, you exactly know what is the syllabus. You know the tips and tricks. From me, you just need to understand the new tips and tricks, the repeaters, the warriors that they call. Okay. So you just need to come on this channel, understand the tips and strategy that, various educators are telling you, and then apply your strategy, your own strategy. So what is the difference between a fresher and a repeater that is coming from CAT 2024 batch is that you will not experiment through strategies. You have your strategies set. I understand that you wouldn't, you were not able to, score good marks for some reason in CAT 2024, not good marks. You were not able to score a specific marks that you decided for yourself, okay? So you would change a strategy, okay? You wouldn't jump to strategies from strategies. Freshers today are not understanding that how strategies could be put up, in a particular frame. Now, this is also not their fault because they're experimenting. They are new in this field. The more they study, the more they want to apply more strategies. But the strategies will be stagnant at one point. From there, you are going to rise. Those strategy will be fixed for you and you will stick to those strategy and then score the desired percentile. So today, I am just telling you that whatever you have decided for yourself, okay, the only strategy that you need to apply is that be consistent. Consistent and being motivated is the only mantra in your life and the only mantra that you should attain this year. Manifestation is a very big word and a very big term that you can apply in your life. So manifest today. Write it in bold letters on your desk that I am going to score 99.99 percentile and be in that I am that I have desired for. Okay. You see over here what I have written. I have written what should a repeater do? Okay. And the expressions over here are exactly same that you would have got few months ago. Okay. And the only strategy that I have written is repeat, repeat, repeat. Repeat that syllabus, repeat that practice, and repeat that strategy. That's the only thing that you need to do today, okay? And if you need any motivation, any tips and tricks, particularly get in touch with me on my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. And come on Unacademy app and experience the beautification of the user-friendly app that we have for the classes, okay? Plus, there's also 60% off on all Cat and Omer subscription. So use my code JUHI99 and you can avail maximum discount that you have ever thought of. And I am a VARC educator. If you need to decide a mentor for yourself, decide it today. There's all those videos, academics, non-academics on this particular channel. So go analyze and see what step you need to take in your life, okay? Also, there's a fresh batch starting, which is the mock starter kit. This is the mock starter kit that I was telling you about. It is just at 99. So start your 99 percentile journey in just 99 with all our top-notch educators, okay? And there's a fresh batch starting, which is Conquer IIM batch, which will start on 17th of June. So if you haven't registered yet, this is the right time because we are already in the month of June, and if you want to get listed over here, getting 100 percentile, getting 99.32 percentile, your chance is today, okay? The golden chance, do not miss it, okay? Thank you so much for hearing me out. And if you need anything, personal advice, academics advice, college advice, I am always available. Comment down or reach out to me on my Telegram channel. Thank you so much, everyone, for being so good all this while. And I'll see you in my next session. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a very good evening.